What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to wash clothes. And the thing that we're going to start with first is how to wash towels. What I've done is gathered all the towels in my house that I need to wash, and I have stuck them into my washer, and I want to show you how full it should be. Next, I have filled up my laundry soap up to the number 4 because I have a full load. If you have a smaller load, you can put it at a smaller increment, but since I like to wash large loads all together, I have it at the number 4. I'm going to put my laundry soap in. I throw the cup in there so it can be washed. Some people don't. Tomato, tomato. Then I go to turn on the washer. I put on regular wash because I am washing towels, and I like for my towels to be on the hot cycle. And I have the load side as super because it's a big load. So I'll let you know when that's done, and we'll pick this back up. Okay guys, so I just heard the washer finish, and I am going to get these wet towels and stick them in the dryer. And if you use dryer sheets, you could put one in there. I don't use them because we have very sensitive skin, but if you use them and your skin's not that sensitive to them, go ahead and stick one in. Always check to make sure that you have cleaned the lint out of here. And then when you're ready, I like to put it on the time dry with the high heat for 60 minutes. And so while that's drying, moving right along, I went ahead and got all of my darks. As you can see, I have blacks and dark colors inside of here. There's no whites in this load, just things that are dark and will bleed. And these darks have a special rule, and that is that we're going to wash them on cold. So I filled up my soap to the number 4. I'm gonna switch this from the hot to the cold. And then we're gonna start on our normal size load. And bam. And I'll get back with you when this is over. Alright guys, I got the towels out of the dryer. I have put the clothes that I'm going to dry into the dryer from the dark load, and I took out a couple of items that I'm going to hang dry. This shirt, I don't want it to shrink, and this shirt has a special little decal on it, and I don't want it to get messed up, so I'm going to hang dry both of these things. If you ever don't want something to shrink, or if you're ever not sure because the item's real delicate, just hang dry it. Sometimes the material will say on here. Anyway, so back to my last thing that I want to tell you about is whites. These are whites I'm going to wash today, and I'm going to wash them with hot water. I like to wash my whites with hot water. So I'm going to put this soap in there back to the 4 because this is a full load. I'm going to switch this back to hot, and then we'll go ahead and start our load. And I'll get back with you when that's over. Okay, so my darks are done. I took them out. I'm going to dry them. Now I'm going to dry my whites, and after this I'm going to hang them up. And that's how you do your laundry. So remember, if it's dark colors, it's cold water. If it's towels, it's hot water. And if it's white colors, you could do hot or warm water. But you don't have to do those temperatures. And if you're ever confused, it usually says when you open your washing machine. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. Talk to you soon.